In this video, I'll show you the safe, straightforward way to deposit money into OKX and use it to buy crypto, without assuming any bonus offers or guarantees. Open the OKX app, tap Deposit, then choose Deposit Cash or Fiat, and pick an available method like bank transfer, card, or local payment rails. Options vary by country and your verification level. If you're using a bank transfer, add your bank details as instructed and make sure the sender name matches the name on your OKX account, because third-party transfers are commonly rejected or delayed. Follow OKX's provided beneficiary details and reference code exactly, then send a small test transfer first if it's your first deposit. Once the funds arrive, go to Buy or Sell and choose what you want to purchase. Many people start with a stablecoin like USDT to park value before trading, but you can also buy BTC or others directly. Preview the order to see the exchange rate and any fees, confirm, and then check portfolio to verify the crypto balance updated. Always review limits, fees, and risks before funding an exchange. Subscribe for more step-by-step crypto app tutorials you can follow confidently.